Hi everyone! So earlier I made this heart right here and just focus on that heart. Okay, so you notice that there's a diamond right here. I'm going to use that diamond as a base for a different heart. Okay, so I have my fishing line here. I have about 2 feet, which is probably more than necessary. And I'm going to start with 8 of the mini red pony beads. If you only have regular size pony beads, that would work here as well, since I'm only working with one size. And then I'm going to tie this off. So I'm going to do a single knot. And then I'm going to do a double knot. Okay, and I'm going to pop these beads into like a diamond shape. Oops. Make sure it's tight. And the thing with fishing line is that it will loosen up. It's actually loosening up more than usual. Let's see. There we go. Okay. Okay, so this is that diamond shape I'm talking about. And right now the string is coming from like this corner from one side of the bead, but I want the string to come from here. So I'm going to pull this string so that the knot is, I pull the knot between the beads. Okay, so right now the string is coming from both ends. And now I'm going to make the bottom of the heart. So I'm going to add, let's add 5. I need an odd number, so I'm going to add 5 to make that point at the end. 4, 5. Okay, and then on the 5th one I'm going to cross. See what that looks like. I'll pop the beads a little bit. Oops. So yeah, that looks good. So that is what the bottom of the heart is going to look like once everything is nice and tight. But everything is loose right now, that's okay. Okay, so this string right here, the one that is pointing up, I'm going to use this string. And I'm going to add, let's see, that's 4. I want it to be bigger. So let's try 7 beads. Let's see what 7 is going to look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then I'm going to pull through this top red bead right here. Okay, so that is what half the heart is going to look like. So it looks a little bit, that looks pretty good actually. Okay, so we're going to add 7 beads on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to pull through these 4 dark beads right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this string is going to go through the 4. What I want is for the strings to meet so that I could tie it. So see how it looks all weird and mushy, and we're going to tie this and then we're going to shape it. I think that for this heart, fishing line is good because you kind of need something that's a little more rigid and not as stretchy. So let's see. So I tied 2 knots, which will come loose, but right now I'm just shaping things. So let's see. Okay. I'm popping the beads out and seeing what this what the shape is gonna look like. Okay. The corner I want it to pop like this. Yeah. There we go. Right in the middle. Ooh. That looks really cute. Hey, okay. I like that. That looks adorable, actually. Now the trick to this, before you tie everything off and set the tension of the string, make sure that you place the beads exactly where you want it. Yeah, I like that. That is cute. Because depending on where you put the beads, it could loosen up the string. And so you want to place everything exactly where you want it. I think that's good. I think that's cute. I'm going to put some nail polish on the knot here. Pull it a little bit. Check this one more time. Yeah, I like how this turned out. That's so cute. Now, if I cut the string right here, there's going to be some pieces that are going to be sticking out. The string will stick out. So I'm going to actually pull this through. And I'm going to go up. It's a little bit hard because there's because it's wet right here because of the nail polish. So you might want to wait until that dries, but I just want to show you what it's going to look like. So I'm doing this quickly. Here we go. And that is my second heart. How does that look?